Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we are going to be doing a little fridge tour. I'm going to show you what I have in my fridge. These are things that I actually eat, that I stock up on. I pretty much buy on the regular, so I'm gonna go into a little bit of detail because I know that you guys want to know what's in here. You always want to buy pasture-raised eggs if it's within your means and you have them available to you. If not, the next best option are these, which is organic eggs. If you didn't know, organic eggs are not pasture-raised eggs. They're just not given antibiotics and hormones and things like that, but they can still be fed grains. So that's the reason why you always want to go for pasture-raised everything, because they're just eating grass. And then another thing that I do almost daily is bone broth. So Kettle on Fire is what I use. And yes, you can make your own, but realistically speaking, I'm not going to be making my own. It usually takes like 24 to 36 hours. And this is super convenient. So I do have a discount code if you guys want to check them out. They'll be linked down below. You get like a 20% discount with Low Carb Love. So it's worth, it's worth stocking up on them. I'm a huge creamer person. I love my coffee. I like it nice and creamy. My matcha lattes. These are really good, which are the nut pods. I like to pick those up at Costco because they're you get like three in a pack for, I don't know, like $8 or something like that. And then we have our sparkling waters. So sparkling waters, these are my favorite. They're the Kroger brand. I've tried everything, guys, and these are my favorite. These and the Costco brand. They're like an Italian sparkly. Those are bomb. And then, so we have some coconut waters, and I know you're probably like, wait, what? Coconut water has a lot of sugar. So this one does have 10 grams of sugar. Yes, that's a lot, but it's just organic coconut water, nothing else. So I feel that this is like a big treat. Donnie drinks them like nothing, like water. But for me, I do drink them, but it's just like once in a while when I want to like relax and I'm like kind of in my zone and I want to like just chill and kind of like self-care day, I will have my coconut water. And then we have our bell peppers, jalapenos, and then radishes. So that's basically what I have in here. And those are our veggies. That is what I have. I'm gonna juice some celery tomorrow, so that's what I'm gonna use that for. But yeah, tomatoes, remember, dirty dozen, so you wanna make sure that those are organic. Same here. And then we have the jalapenos. So that's what I need in my life. Boom! Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. These are some of the things that I buy on the regular. I drink my bone broth. I have my creamer. Those are my veggies. Fruits that I typically eat. All right, guys, so that is what I have in my fridge. Thanks for being here. I love you, and I will see you on the next video. Mwah.